There is a lake on Earth so deep it could swallow an entire mountain. A lake that holds nearly 1/4 of all the fresh water on this planet. A lake that isn't just a lake, but a living geological mystery. And the most shocking part? It's still growing. This is Lake Baikal, the deepest, oldest, and most mysterious lake on Earth. Hidden in southern Siberia, Russia, lies one of the greatest natural wonders on Earth, Lake Baikal. This lake was not built by humans. Nature itself created it over millions of years, shaping it slowly through powerful forces beneath the Earth's crust. Lake Baikal is not just the largest freshwater lake in the world by volume, it is also the deepest, the clearest, and the oldest lake on Earth. Because of its beauty and mystery, many call it the blue eye of Siberia. In this video, we'll explore everything about Lake Baikal, its origin, its secrets, its wildlife, and the incredible truths hidden beneath its frozen surface. Let's begin with its size. Lake Baikal covers an area of about 31,722 square kilometers. It stretches 636 kilometers in length and reaches up to 79 kilometers in width. To put that into perspective, it's larger than many countries. This isn't just a lake, it's an inland freshwater sea. Scientists believe Lake Baikal was formed between 25 and 30 million years ago. It was created by intense tectonic activity deep underground, which formed the Baikal Rift Valley. This massive crack in Earth's crust slowly widened and filled with water. And here's something incredible, this rift is still active today. Every year, it expands by about 2 centimeters, which means Lake Baikal is still growing. It's a living, evolving geological structure. Lake Baikal is officially the deepest lake in the world. Its maximum depth reaches 1,642 meters, or 5,387 feet. The lake's bottom lies 1,186 meters below sea level. And beneath that, there's another 7 kilometers of sediment. This makes the total rift depth nearly 8 to 11 kilometers, making it the deepest continental rift on Earth. The region is also earthquake-prone, and hot springs frequently appear nearby. Lake Baikal is divided into 3 main basins. The North Basin, with an average depth of 900 meters, the Central Basin, averaging 1,600 meters, and the South Basin, averaging 1,400 meters. These basins are separated by underwater ridges and geological formations. In the 1990s, scientists from Russia, the United States, and Japan drilled deep into Lake Baikal sediment layers. What they discovered was extraordinary. They uncovered over 6.5 million years of climate history, making Baikal one of the most valuable natural climate archives on Earth. Lake Baikal contains over 23,615 cubic kilometers of fresh water. That's about 22 to 23% of all the unfrozen freshwater on Earth. In fact, it holds more fresh water than all of North America's Great Lakes combined. Lake Baikal is also the clearest lake on Earth. During winter, visibility reaches 30 to 40 meters deep. In summer, visibility drops to around 5 to 8 meters. Its water is incredibly pure and rich in oxygen, even at extreme depths. During winter, the lake freezes completely for 4 to 5 months. Ice thickness ranges from 0.5 to 1.4 meters. In some places, it reaches 2 meters thick. The ice becomes so strong, vehicles can drive across it. In summer, surface temperatures can reach 16 degrees Celsius, but below 300 meters, temperatures remain between 3.1 and 3.4 degrees Celsius year-round. Over the past 50 years, the lake's temperature has increased by about 1.5 degrees Celsius. This has shortened its ice season. Lake Baikal is one of the most biodiverse freshwater ecosystems on Earth. It contains over 1,000 plant species and more than 2,500 animal species. Many of these species exist nowhere else on Earth. The most famous is the Baikal seal, also known as the narpa. It's the only freshwater seal species in the world. The surrounding forests are home to bears, wolves, foxes, deer, wild boars, and many more animals. There are also 236 species of birds. Lake Baikal contains around 65 species of fish. One of the most famous is the omul fish. It's native to Baikal and highly valued by locals. Lake Baikal contains 27 islands. The largest is Alkan Island. It stretches 72 kilometers long and 14 kilometers wide. It is one of the largest lake islands in the world. Humans have lived around Lake Baikal for thousands of years. Ancient Chinese texts referred to it as the North Sea. In 1643, Russian explorers officially reached the lake. Since then, it has been studied extensively. In 1993, scientists installed a neutrino telescope 1.1 kilometers deep in the lake. In 2008, Russian scientists sent submersibles deep into its depths to study its geology and biology. Because of its incredible natural importance, UNESCO declared Lake Baikal a World Heritage Site in 1996. Today, Lake Baikal attracts thousands of tourists every year. In winter, visitors can walk on ice, drive on ice, fish through ice, skate across the frozen surface. In summer, visitors enjoy diving, wildlife exploration, fishing, and nature tours.
In 1966, a paper mill was built near the lake. It caused severe pollution. Although it was permanently closed in 2013, pollution from tourism and boats still threatens the ecosystem. Lake Baikal is more than just a lake. It's a window into Earth's past, a symbol of nature's power, and a reminder of how fragile our planet truly is. Even today, countless mysteries remain hidden beneath its surface, and perhaps some will never be discovered. Would you ever want to visit Lake Baikal? Let me know in the comments, and subscribe to World Decoded for more mysterious and fascinating stories from around the world.